If you love the old-fashioned cocktail, but more importantly, love aged rum, then you've got to try the maple syrup old-fashioned. All right, guys, so today I want to make a old-fashioned for rum, and I'm adding some maple syrup to it. Now, maple syrup is normally not something that I would do with a rum cocktail, but I found that it just tastes really, really good. So this is pretty much the same specs as an old-fashioned. However, I'm subbing out sugar syrup for maple syrup. And the first ingredient that I'm going to use is the plantation double-aged rum. I really love this rum. I drink a lot of this at home. It's a great sipping rum as well. And we're calling for 60 mils or 2 ounces. If you haven't tried this, you need to go out and try it because it is awesome. Next up, I need 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of maple syrup. Now, I've done this a fair few times, so I'm just going to go about there. The key to using maple syrup is buy good maple syrup. Okay, if you can buy just the cheap stuff that's like $2 at your local supermarket, it's not real maple syrup. Buy the proper stuff. Yes, it's more expensive, but it tastes a hell of a lot better. Next up, some Angostura bitters, which that wasn't, well, it was. All right. About 2 dashes. I'm doing a little bit more because these bitters bottles don't let that much out. And then we're just going to stir that down over ice as we normally would an old-fashioned. Okay, actually I'm going to give that a taste first. Perfect. Just checking there for dilution. Make sure it's okay. Oh, now, I'm going to serve it on a large rock of ice so that my drink doesn't dilute down too much. All right, and for my garnish, I like an orange twist, just to really get that essential oils from the orange over the cocktail. This orange and rum works really well. Let's give it a taste. It's funny, you know, because as I said before, I wouldn't normally do rum with maple, but I don't find that the plantation double aged rum is super sweet. So the sweetness of the maple syrup works really well. The bitterness obviously is counteracting the sweetness of the maple. So that's the reason why bitters goes into an old fashioned. Okay, a lot of times what we'll do with making cocktails is we'll add, you know, sour, some form of sour element like lemon juice or lime juice. In stirred down drinks, we can't do that, so bitters is just that alternative to do it. And it also adds a little bit of a dimension to your cocktail. I guess the best way that I explain bitters is kind of like seasoning your food, salt and pepper. We do the same with the bitters, and Angostura is great for that. That's beautiful. It really is. That rum is just coming through. Just the aftertaste. I keep saying because it is really so good. I better end this video because I'm going to drink that really, really quickly. Guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.